Hi friend, great evening na dito sa Cebu. Today is Sunday night. So, from saan ba tayo nanggaling today? We went to Minglang Nilia, Colon, all part of Cebu. And yung last natin was SMC site. And then, back to SM Cebu kasi it's near our hotel. So since we passed by SM Cebu, nagbagi tayo ng mga pasalubong natin for our call na maabutan natin sa office. Yung tawag yan, dried mango. Meron din Christmas basket from SM 2020. So yan, since nasa SM na tayo, nadaan ulit tayo ng book sale. Yan. So for our craft, it's a coloring book ba to? You can also use it for drawing. You can use it as a template for our drawing. Christmas siya. Christmas jumbo coloring activity book. Ayan. So yan, marami siyang we can draw, we can paint. Ayan, magagamit natin. Activity book din. Marami tayong time to relax kasi we need time to unwind, to be creative para po, yan, we can still use our human brain. Ayan po. Still at SM Cebu, book sale in SM Cebu since dumaan tayo to buy our pasalubong for the office. So, bumili rin tayo ng book in SM Cebu. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.